In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play duos here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to play duos in Arc Raiders, what you're going to want to do first is go down to this little plus icon, open it up, and find your duo, and go ahead and invite them to your party. Once it is just the two of you, and for the sake of this guide, let's just go ahead and assume there's two of us in here. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is go down to the bottom right corner of your screen, and just above the play option here, you're going to see this little fill squad option. Go ahead and select that to turn it off. With that disabled, the game is not going to add a random player or a random third player, leaving it as just you and your partner. After that, simply go ahead and click play, find your map, queue up, and you are good to go. Just keep in mind, even when you do queue in as a duo, you're going to often end up facing trios, so just be prepared for that. It's going to be a little bit unfair, but that is just the best way to do it. Overall, it really is as simple as that, though. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.